How to delete backups on iCloud. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can delete backups on iCloud, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have made any sort of backups on your iCloud, you can still choose to delete them by simply opening up the settings application on your iPhone here, then just tapping the profile from the very top of the screen. And after you have done that, you can simply go to this option here known as iCloud. And once you go to iCloud, you can simply go to device backups. Now it doesn't matter whether this is turned on or turned off, but if you have any sort of backups over here, when you go here you should be able to find all of the backups that you have made, which is of your iPhone of course. So you can select a certain backup and choose to delete those kind of backups here. This way you can delete backups on iCloud. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.